I was working in a home yesterday and Mom wanted to show me her cute way that her baby was crawling. The baby was crawling like this, up on hands and knees, but with one leg up like this, and the other leg kind of dragging on the ground with her hands down on the ground. This is the way the baby looks when she moves. She kind of scoots one leg forward, that upper leg, and just kind of drags the back leg along the ground. Now, if your baby is crawling like this is not just a cute way of crawling. It's not a quirk. It's more like a glitch. And here's the problem. It means that there's a lack of communication between one of your baby's legs and your baby's brain. And so by the end of this video, I'm going to share with you a couple of techniques that you can use to help to correct that if your baby is crawling in this way. If you're new to my channel, my name is Cherrick Gordon. I'm a pediatric physical therapist, and I show proactive parents like you how to use simple touch and movement to help your baby get stronger and smarter. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a couple of different techniques that you can use to help your baby overcome a hitch crawl if that's the way your baby's crawling. Technique number 2 to help your baby to get out of this habit of crawling, this hitch crawling with one leg up and the other leg dragging behind, is to simply take that leg and just kind of tuck it under. But before you do that, switch legs. If this leg is up, let's say the right leg is up, bring that right knee leg down so the baby is on her knee. And use that and bring the other leg and put the knee under her tummy, like her hips like this. You can use your hands to support baby under her trunk. And you can start off by just putting baby on hands and knees like this, and then gently rocking baby front to back. This kind of rocking activity shows baby how far she can move before she tips over. I also like to use my hands on baby's hips and knee and support baby's hips and work the knees for baby and let baby move her arms by herself, crawling. What you can do if you notice that your baby tips over onto their face or does like a face plant, what you can do is bring the hips back over the heels, kind of like this. And you notice as I'm bringing this back, baby's head is automatically kind of coming up off the ground, and baby will put their hands down and kind of push themselves up into more of a hands and knees position. And this is a good way to start getting your baby into the habit of just being and spending more time up on their hands and knees. Technique number 3 to help your baby to get over this hitch style of crawling is to simply put your baby on their knees, put their hands up on an elevated surface like this couch, and work in what's called tall kneeling, where you can see baby's knees are directly below her hips. And once you put baby up in this position, work on tall kneeling, have a toy so the baby can be engaged with the toy, and have baby play in this position. This is great for strengthening baby's hip muscles and thigh muscles. Also, while you have baby up here, what you can do is bring baby's bottom down onto her heels. This is called short kneeling, and cue baby to come up from short kneeling to tall kneeling. So short kneeling up into tall kneeling, short kneeling up into tall kneeling. This is fantastic for exercising baby's leg muscles and baby's buttock muscles, and it's a great way to strengthen that entire hip and upper thigh area in order to get baby to start crawling on more of a hands and knees traditional kind of crawl. Technique number 4 is to have your baby crawl over your legs. So let's assume, for the sake of argument, that your baby is dragging her right leg. So this leg is the one that's hanging behind, and this leg is the one that she brings up and has that knee up. Now, what you can do is, as your baby is moving to get to the toy and trying to get over your legs, you can help your baby by bringing that left knee up onto your knee and helping your baby to crawl over your legs. Crawling over your leg, crawling over something like a boppy or a rolled up towel are all great techniques to use with this method to help your baby to start crawling in more of a hands and knees reciprocal type of crawl. Another technique to help your baby overcome hitch crawling is to position a toy on the stairs, put your baby on the bottom round with their hands flat on the bottom step. Put baby on their knees, and that automatically is positioning both knees equally on the ground. As you move the toy up and now encouraging baby to crawl up, you can take that weak leg, the leg that kind of drags when baby's doing her hitch crawl, and help baby to bring that knee up onto the stairs like this. Now, if you do that, baby will probably struggle to get that left knee, the weak one that drags up, and by pushing through, you can give baby a little bit of support under her bottom and help her to get up to that next level, where now she can bring up her strong leg, which she will probably do automatically, and then go ahead and go after the toy. And as she's going up after the toy, what you can do is alternate and bring that left knee, the dragging one, up for her. And this is a great way of integrating this left one that she normally drags into the movement and help it to get stronger.